Hello traders, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a very simple strategy. You can use it as an advanced trader, you can use it as a beginner. It works perfect and you can make a lot of money with this strategy. This strategy I'm talking about, just today we made some money with it. On verse 25 1s, you see this clean buys that we took. Okay. And I also have my free Telegram link in the description box that you can join. Today I shared this free signal and then we are making a lot of money on it already. Okay. Now let's get into the strategy. Now, first of all, you need to the minimum time frame you should look for. What I'm about to talk about is the 1 hour. Okay, you can look for it on the 1 hour, the 4 hour, or the daily. But the 1 hour and the 4 hour will give you quick profits. Okay, so what you're going to identify is a range or a consolidation. Okay, now how do you know that price is ranging? You know that price is ranging when it creates a high, sweep the high, and then they come and sweep the low, go and sweep the high. Once that happens, you know that price is consolidating and it is in a range. Okay, so the first thing is to be able to identify a consolidation or a range. Okay, that's the first thing. And as I said, you should be looking for that consolidation either on the 1 hour or the 4 hour or the daily. Okay, once you're able to identify the consolidation, as you can see here clearly, price is in a consolidation, right? We had that high and we had this low. We come and sweep the low, price go and sweep the high, we come back and sweep the low. Once you see this, you know that price is what? In the consolidation. And I'm going to show this strategy is all about trading consolidation highs and lows. Okay, you can make a lot of money with it. So once you identify the consolidation, mark the highest point in the consolidation range and then the lowest point. Okay, so there you go, highest point and then the lowest point of the consolidation. Now with this strategy, what you are going to look for is when price, you should also mark 50% of the range. Okay, so this is the entire consolidation range. This is the lows, this is the high. So when price comes into premium, okay, and sweeps any high within premium, you look for lower time frame confirmation and you sell. When price comes into discount and sweeps any low within discount, you look for confirmation and you buy. So this consolidation, you could have identified this consolidation right at this point, because we had a high here that was swept, price comes back to sweep this low, and then this high swept. So at this point, you know that consolidation is already on. So what you are going to do is you wait for price to come into premium, and as you can see here, price came into premium here and swept high, any high at all within premium. That price will sweep. As soon as we sweep that high, you go to lower time frame, you look for your confirmations, and then you sell. Okay. Okay, once again, price comes into discount. As soon as price comes into discount, any low within discount of the range, below 50% of the range, as soon as we sweep the low, you look for buy. So here we sweep this low, you can buy to premium or 50% of the range and you take your profit and you're out. Once again, price comes into discount of the range and it sweeps this low as well, and then this low as well. As soon as you see price in discount sweeping any low at all, you go to lower time frame, you look for buys, and you take your profit at 50% of the range. Very, very, very simple. And as I said, we took this trade, this 25 1s, we took this trade with a VIP team today using this strategy. Okay, right here, this was the entries. So let me show you the confirmation that was given on the lower time frame. So now that we know we are consolidating, price is in this kind of the range and has swept some lows within discount. So as soon as this low swept in discount, we go to the 5 minutes chart. So there's a 1 hour chart. So 1 hour chart, you can use 5 minutes for confirmation. If it is a 4 hour chart that you're looking for the consolidation, once we sweep the liquidity, you can go to the 15 minutes to look for confirmation. So 1 hour, 5 minutes confirmation, 4 hour, 15 minutes confirmation. If the consolidation is on a daily chart, you use 1 hour for confirmation. So now there's a 1 hour consolidation range. We sweep the lows, we go to the 5 minutes to look for our confirmation. So let's go to the 5 minutes chart. Okay. All right, right there on the 5 minutes. Okay, we are below 50% of the consolidation range. So this is the trade that we took today, but let's quickly look at this one as well, because this is a trade you could have taken as well. You can see here Price came into this kind of the range, swept this low and swept this low, all in discount. As soon as we sweep these lows, okay, in discount, on the 5-minute chart, you look for market structure shift. So here was your market structure shift, okay. As soon as we sweep, we shift bullish, you can take your entry from any fair value gap that will be left behind or the breaker. And I normally use the breaker, okay. So this is the breaker block. As soon as we validate that high and price retest the breaker, that's my entry. Boom, right there. And as I say, you can take profit at 50% of the range, okay. 50% right here, you take your profit and you are out. So this is a beautiful trade that you could have banked on, okay. Stop loss below this low, you could have taken profit here. Massive, okay. Now let's review today's trade, the one I took with the team, and it was based on this consolidation. Simple, right? So we are in this kind of the consolidation range. You swept a low, you'll be looking for what? Market structure shift. So where is the market structure shift? We have this swing high. Boom, that was broken right there. And as I said, I like to use the breakers for the entry. So I'll mark the breaker and extend it, and as soon as price retests the breaker, boom, that's my entry. Stop loss below, any near swing low, and the target is always at 50% of the range, okay, 50% of the range. And as you can see, boom, we've smashed profit already. You see how simple this strategy can be. Very, very, very simple. Very, very, very simple. And as I said, we actually took this buy here. We took this buy together with the VIP team right here. Okay. Let me go back to the 1 hour chart. It's that simple. Okay. It's that simple. So now if price continues to push into premium, and again, it sweeps this high, we may have another 5 minutes confirmation to look forward sells back to discount of the range. Very, very, very simple. So we can see that here too, we had some consolidation here, and you could have applied the same strategy. Here, this whole range was consolidating. Okay, that whole range was consolidating. So as soon as you see the consolidation, mark 50% of the range, mark the highest point, the lowest point. When in premium and we sweep a high, you look for sales right there. When it is in discount and we sweep a low here, you look for buys. Price comes back into premium, we sweep this high, you look for sales. You can make a lot of money with this strategy. Now, this is a premium strategy that I will teach with my VIP guys, but I decided to share it with the YouTube community. So do me a favor and give this video a like. That's the only way you can appreciate me for sharing this nugget with you. Okay, so appreciate the video by giving a like. So yeah, anywhere that consolidation exists, you can use the strategy. Here, consolidation, a huge consolidation here. You could have banged a lot of profit trading from liquidity highs and lows. Okay, when price comes into premium of the range and we sweep a high, you look for sales. You sweep a high, you look for sales. You come into discount of the range, you sweep a low, you look for buys. Price returns into premium, you sweep this high, you look for sales. It returns into discount of the range, you sweep this low, you look for buys. It returns into premium of the range, you sweep this high, you look for sales. You continue to buy the lows and sell the highs until price breaks out of the range. Okay, and as I said, as soon as price enters into discount, any low at all that it sweeps, you start looking for confirmation to buy. And when it enters into premium, any high that it sweeps, you start to look for confirmation to sell. It's that simple. Very, very simple. Anywhere that consolidation exists, anywhere at all, you can bang on it. So if you enjoyed this video, please like I said, and comment on your thoughts. Let me know any other topic you want me to make a video on. And then don't forget to join the link